all of this liquidity residing below on our monthly time frame. So there's still room for more sales on the XY moving forward. And for our weekly time frame, what can we see right here? We've always had these buyers that price was coming for this low on our weekly time frame, and that was the exact thing that price did. Price took out this low on our weekly time frame, and our next target is price is coming for this low here, right? Price is coming for this low. I just marked the position here. So price has taken out this low. Of course, after every expansion, we're expecting some sort of a retracement and then a journey to the downside. So price still has room to the downside to take out this low on our weekly time frame. And for our daily time frame too, right, we can also see that this low has been taken out, and I can see and spot a fair value gap residing here. So price has room to push into this fair value gap before continuing its journey to the downside. And on our daily time frame, where do I see price coming into? I see price clearing this low long term. For 4-hour time frame too, right? Price is still moving to the downside. Right. And then for weekly time frame, I can actually see our most recent swing, right? Flipping from point A to point B, right? There's room for price to push into 50% fib level, right? There's a fair value gap residing here. So price should come into this fair value gap, which coincides with 50% fib level before continuing its journey to the downside. So if we're going to call the price point, it is actually 100.697. So once we see price trading into this price point, we can start warming up to continue our sales on the XY. So for today, I am buying to sell the XY. I'm buying into this fair value gap and selling off once price gets into this level and my setup gets printed. For GBP USD on a monthly time frame, price is still maintaining its bearishness. And for a weekly time frame, what we're seeing right now is price is right buying to the upside. And where do I see price coming into? There's another block right here on our weekly time frame. Price is actually really close to it, but price hasn't gotten there yet. So I expect a reaction once price gets into this other block on our weekly time frame. I might be warming up to ride myself to the downside. But if price trades into this other block and disregards it and continues buying to the upside, then I will keep buying GBP USD. But for now, I want price to trade into this other block residing right here, right? Residing right here, and I expect that price should react off that point. For our daily time frame, we can see that price just keeps breaking to the upside. And of course, we don't expect that price will keep buying forever. We expect some sort of a retracement. So where do I see price retracing into? There's a high here. So price should retrace into this high where resistance becomes support, and then the buy continues all the way to the upside. Of course, we don't expect to be buying at premium. What we're seeing right now is price is at a premium level on our daily time frame. We want to see price get into discount before we continue the buy to the upside. So for now, I'm expecting a retracement because price has already expanded so much to the upside. So price should retrace before continuing its ride all the way to the upside. And for our 4-hour time frame too, price is already at premium level. I'm expecting it to retrace into our discount level, which includes the 50% fib level, which is our equilibrium, and 61.8% fib level or 78.6% fib level. On our 1-hour time frame, I saw something really interesting. I will consider this to be my shoulder, a sweep, a break. So price should return into the shoulder before continuing its buy to the upside. And if we're going to be calling out price points verbatim, where we're expecting price to retrace to on our 1-hour time frame, that will be 1.32714 on our 1-hour time frame. So once we see a retracement into this level, we should be warming up to continue our buy to the upside, right? Price is already at premium. We expect some sell-off into our point of interest before we continue our buys all the way to the upside. So my outlook for today on GU is still a buy. Of course, a sell to buy. Sell into this shoulder, right? And once price gets into it, I will be warming up to continue my buys to the upside on GBP USD. Last on my list is the Euro USD. On our monthly time frame, price still maintaining its sell. For weekly time frame, price is at this high. So price should take out this high long term. Of course, this is the weekly time frame and we don't expect it to happen in a day. Moving forward, price should really take out this high on our daily time frame, on our weekly time frame rather. And for our daily time frame, if you remember our analysis last week, we said that price had already taken out the high on GU just as we have seen, and EU is yet to do that. So what we are saying right now is price is coming for this high. Price should clear this high on Euro USD on our daily time frame. So our target for today is that price should clear this high and continue its buy to the upside. Right, of course, after every expansion to the upside is a retracement. So once we see an expansion to the upside, taking out this high on our daily time frame, we expect a retracement to continue our buy to the upside. And for our 4-hour time frame too, right, same thing, same outlook. Price should take out this high on our 4-hour time frame, right? That is what I am looking out for Euro USD. And for our 1-hour time frame on Euro USD, I saw something interesting too. There's a shoulder here, there's a sweep, and there's a break. So price should return into this shoulder. And if I will be calling price point verbatim, it is going to be 1.11412. So once price retraces into 1.11412, we will be continuing our buys to the upside. I haven't seen any break of structure for us to change our bias from a buy to a sell on Euro USD and GBP USD. So all we will be doing is buying to the upside. Every retracement you see and your entry signature, for me, I trade the base. If I see my entry signature after every retracement, I will be taking my buys on GU and Euro USD. Of course, until there's a change in bias, it will be communicated across, but for now, I am maintaining my buy bias, right? Just as we have communicated during an analysis, we're going to be catching retracement into our point of interest. And once price gets into our point of interest, we will be buying off our point of interest. All right. Do we have questions, different bias from what has been analyzed? We're all here for each other to learn, and of course, we opened for questions, different bias. If you're seeing something on the chat, please kindly communicate. And while I'm still waiting for us to type in our chat box, we will be coming to Abuja for the FX bootcamp training in the month of November. So if you're in the city of Abuja, you should be planning towards attending the FX bootcamp training. All right, thank you so much, Mr. Shei. Right, so if you're in the city of Abuja, we want to see you there. Spread the news. We will be communicating the date for the training very soon, but the training will be holding in the month of November. Please show up, spread the news across. We'll have a nice time together, trust me. All right, that'll be the end of my analysis, right? Someone said that all is in order, Mr. Shei. Thank you very much. Right, so I take it that we don't have more questions. So right after me, we'll be having CJ coming up next for his own analysis. We're going on a very short break. Right after that, we'll be having our analysis on gold and the end basket. Have a very good trading day. Cheers and God bless. See you by 3 p.m. for the New York session.
All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the market caller for today, the 25th of September 2024. We're excited to have you all here. We'll be proceeding in this market caller while we analyze gold against the dollar, and then we're going to be looking at the yen basket alongside some other yen-related currencies, okay? So starting off with the analysis on gold against the dollar. Already, prior to now, we told you that gold is in a straight, clear-cut uptrend, all right? Since gold broke its 2,500 price point and retraced, we are expecting it to get to 2,750 and ultimately 3,000 level. We're looking at that happening between the end of this year and next year. So currently, the target for gold is 2,750. So wherever we see a retracement, it's going to be a good place to buy. Wherever we see any form of retracement and we start seeing signs that the trend wants to resume, that is a good place to buy from. So let's go ahead with our analysis for the intraday. Now, on intraday basis, looking at gold, it's already trading to the downside, and I strongly believe that this movement to the downside is only but a retracement, and we expect it to continue afterwards to the upside. So I'm looking at this level right here as a potential target for gold. When I see gold trade into this level, also if you look very closely, you're going to see a fair value gap right here, just right before the other block that we just highlighted now. So if we see gold trade into this fair value gap or into this other block, this is a good place to buy. And where is our immediate target? The immediate target is going to be this first high that was created right here. And then the overall target for the move, like I said earlier, is 2,750. Okay, 2,750 is not in sight as gold is in a period of price discovery. So we want to see it give us some retracement and then a push back up to the upside. So our overview on gold today is that gold is a good buy. However, I want to see a little more retracement here, and then we're going to be buying gold all the way to the upside. So something similar to this movement. This is what we're looking for on gold to play out today. So it's very clear, very obvious, and it's the kind of trade that you don't want to miss up. All right, so over to the yen basket. So let's take a quick analysis on the yen basket. All right, so looking at the yen basket is refusing to go back to its original trend that we've been seeing in the past couple of days. Like we all know, the yen basket has been in an uptrend. However, it is retracing further downward. Originally, we wanted to see the yen basket retrace to this level and then return. Now we're seeing it retrace deeper and it's possibly targeting this other block on the daily time frame right here. So if we see the yen basket further trade into this level, it could be a good place to resume its buy from. So on the yen basket, this is what I'm expecting to see. And then all the way back upward. So very clear, very obvious. We want to see it sell a little further into this level, and then we'll be resuming the buy. We'll be looking to resume the buy from there onwards. Okay, so this is my view on the yen basket. Same thing intraday. If you're looking at the 1 hour time frame, I want to see it clear this low, trade into this level, because this low is already acting like an inducement. All right, so once you see buy the price clear this low, trade into this other block on the daily time frame, I'll be expecting a resumption back to the upside for the yen basket. So my bias for the yen is a buy, but first thing I want to see, the play I want to see right here is a sell, then to buy. Okay, so I hope this is very, very clear to you. All right, so let's move over to our JPY brothers, starting off with GBP JPY and then Euro JPY. So looking at GBP JPY, we're expecting very similar thing to play out, just like we have on the yen basket. In fact, GBP JPY has already done that, traded into this other block, shown some sign of rejection. So it may stall a little until we start seeing the yen basket trading to the downside. We've had a stronger GBP this week, unlike what we earlier anticipated at the beginning of the week. However, this is Wednesday already, so we might see some midweek reversals take place. Okay, so on GBP JPY, we're already seeing price struggling in that daily order block. If you look at it on the 4 hour time frame and on the 1 hour time frame, you see those struggles right there. Price has been struggling to break this order block. So I still expect that it's going to respect it and then sell off afterwards. So while looking at the yen basket, we expect it to tap into the daily order block and return back up. On GBP JPY, it's already in the order block. We're expecting it to sell off afterwards. So for GBP JPY, I'll just be waiting. Once I see everything set, I'll be looking to go short on GBP JPY today. Okay, now if GBP JPY doesn't respect this other block and then trade above, then it could be that our short-term bias would change for GBP JPY and also for the yen basket. So that would mean that the yen basket is going to be violating that other block that we saw on the daily time frame, and then it's going to give us a momentarily a short sell. All right, we're going to start seeing sales to some more discount levels on the yen basket. If you remember, there are some discount levels we showed you guys last week that we're expecting the yen basket trade to, but it didn't trade all the way to that level before it started buying. So if it does not respect that order block by violating it, we'd want to see it give us more discount to the downside. That is to say, we want to see the yen sell off a little more from the last swing that it created somewhere around July, August, and into September. Okay. So for GBP JPY, it's very similar thing. If the yen basket respects that level, then we'll be looking to short GBP JPY. Else, we would allow you to break this structure to the upside and then wait for a retracement and join the new trend, which is the uptrend on the daily time frame. Okay, already on the 1 hour time frame, we're having it look like an uptrend. But then if the sell is going to play out, then all these points here are going to serve as diagonal liquidity to be cleared when price starts coming down. So I'm looking at GBP JPY in this light, and I'm saying it looks like it's ready for a sell based on what we've analyzed so far. Our top-down analysis on the yen basket on GBP JPY is showing us that price could clearly sell. We're looking at the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Price broke the structure right here. After breaking it, sold below, came back to the order block. We're expecting this order block to send price further downwards. So this is the basis for our bias on GBP JPY for a sell. So me, I'm looking out for a sell on GBP JPY today. Now, if you're looking at Euro JPY, on the other hand, Euro JPY is looking shy of this order block. All right. So let me highlight the order block clearly. Okay, so it's looking like it's shy of the other block. So while we're expecting the yen basket to trade properly into the other block, if we see Euro JPY also do the same thing, then this is going to give us a clear cut direction that we'll be looking to go short on Euro JPY. Very similar thing to what GBP JPY played, was a break of structure, return back to the other block, and then we're expecting further sales to the downside. On the 4 hour time frame, look at it, very clear. This is where the break of structure actually happened. So there was a break of structure here, and then price is returning back to the origin to continue selling. So I'm looking to see if Euro JPY is going to trade all the way here and then sell off. Else, this is also a good place because we've seen the minimal contact with the other block. So we might be seeing it straight to the downside. All right, so this is what I'm expecting on Euro JPY, a sell-off. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Price is also struggling to break above the other block or to break properly into the other block, just giving us that minimal contact right here. So we might see Euro JPY selling further downwards, going forward into the remaining part of today and into the remaining part of the week. So for Euro JPY, I'm looking out for a sell. For GBP JPY, I'm also looking out for a sell. For gold, we're looking out for buy opportunities on gold. So I hope this makes sense to you all, and I really hope you'll be able to take advantage of the trades that we've already shown you today. Okay, so if there are any questions, please let us know in the chat box. If there are no questions, then we'll be calling it a wrap for today's London session market color. We have the New York market color by 3 p.m. where we'll give the recap, and we'll also look at where price is headed for during the remaining part of today. So if you have any bias or if there's any change in bias at all, we're going to let you know during the New York market color. Okay, if you have any inquiry based on any of our products or services, feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 081 60 99 50 30, and we'll get to you from there. The WhatsApp number is going to be typed in the chat box so that you can have it, you can save it, you can share it with as many people as possible. Remember, we also have our affiliate program running, and it's for the value flow trading community alone at this point. So if you have anybody who is willing to take any of our product or services, feel free to let them know. And once they are able to complete their purchase and the order has been fulfilled, you're going to get a whopping 10% affiliate commission, so long as you follow the process. If you wish to do that, also reach out to us on WhatsApp if you're not already in the affiliate community. Reach out to us on Telegram rather, and then we'll add you up as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much everyone for joining today's market color. It's a great pleasure we bring you these good tidings. Until we meet again by 3 p.m., wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.